Unleash your creativity. Mecpow PEG Filament, the ultimate 3D printing upgrade. Hey 3D printing enthusiasts! Are you tired of filament headaches? Frustrated with slow print speeds and lackluster results? Get ready to experience the revolution with Mecpow's high-speed PEG filament. Show close-ups of the filament highlighting its clarity and color variations. This isn't your average PEG. We're talking crystal clear, vibrant colors in 12 stunning options, from a sleek, transparent rainbow to a bold, solid blue. Perfect for showcasing intricate designs and creating truly eye-catching projects. Transition to showcasing speed and compatibility. But beauty isn't everything. Mecpow PEG boasts blazing fast print speeds, up to 600 millimeters per second. Say goodbye to endless waiting and hello to rapid prototyping. And with universal compatibility with most 1.75 millimeter FDM printers, it's the perfect addition to your existing setup. Except for ultra-high temp printers, of course. Show examples of durable 3D printed objects, gears, tool grips, etc. Need durability? Check. Heat resistance up to 70 degrees C? Check. Food-safe materials? Absolutely. Build strong, reliable parts for anything from functional tools to stunning home decor. This filament is tough enough for the job, no matter how demanding. Highlight the quality and safety certifications. We've got you covered with CE and ROS certifications, ensuring safety and environmental responsibility. Each spool is vacuum sealed with a desiccant to keep your filament fresh and ready to print. Create a sense of urgency. But here's the deal. This incredible offer won't last forever. For a limited time, we're offering a special bundle of 12 times 1 kilogram spools, giving you a rainbow of possibilities at an unbeatable price. And screen with the product image, price, and a strong call to action. Don't miss out. Click the link below to grab your Mecpow PEG filament bundle and unlock your 3D printing potential. Upgrade your prints, upgrade your workflow, upgrade your experience. Click now.